Oxford Discover, Student Book 3, by Kathleen Kampa and Charles Valina.
Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and doing well and enjoying your e-classes and e-lessons and doing your home tasks with responsibility. I am Sama Nijaz, your English instructor. This video lesson is for grade 3 assignment 17. So students, this is our part 2. Now, moving towards our Oxford Discover student book, page number 48. Unit 5, Get Ready. So here first of all we have got some of the words. What you have to do is to listen to me very carefully and repeat each word after me. Words, listen and read the words. Listen again and say the words. Ladybug, cricket, grasshopper, beetle, katydid, bee, butterfly, thicket, kangaroo, raisin. Now moving towards our next part, that is part B. Put the following words in the boxes. A word can go in more than one box. Talk about your choices with your partners. So students, here you can see that in the box we have been given some words. These are the insects, and below we also have been given some of the columns, that is colorful, beautiful, quick, noisy, ugly. Now the words in the box, you have to put them in the columns below. Now what thing is colorful? I think butterfly is very colorful and it's beautiful too. So I am going to write butterfly beneath colorful as well as in beautiful column. Moving forward. Now you can choose any other word. Ladybug. What do you think about ladybug? Is it colorful? I think it's very colorful and it's beautiful too. In this way, you have to fill each of the column. You can write more than one word in a box. So students, now moving towards our part C. Put the words in the sentences. Make 3 different sentences. Which sentence could happen? Which one is the funniest? So here we have been given 3 words that are raisin, kangaroo, thicket. Now below we have been given some of the sentences. We have to complete the statements and which sentence could happen in real life. Now let's make a sentence. Now what can we make a sentence? A kangaroo jumped out of a thicket and ate a raisin. Now what do you think? Can this sentence happen? I think it's possible. In this way, you have to complete the following statements. So students, now moving towards our next page. So students, I hope you enjoyed listening the audio. Now here I am going to give you a brief explanation what is happening here. In this unit, we have got 3 poets and their famous poems. First one is Michael Rosen. In first poem, he shares the experience of how one of the raisins escaped their plate in a very dramatic way. In next poem, Michael encourages and tries to enhance creativity in kids by exchanging colors of earth. He changed the sun color to black, river to gold to enhance interest and to express his views. Aileen Fisher is the next poet. She is an award-winning poet and a nature lover. She wrote poems about nature and its surroundings. And the last poet, Robert Louis Stevenson, is a famous poet who wrote many books including famous Treasure Island. So in this poem, he is indicating the difference between summers and winters. that how in summers he goes to bed early. So, I hope you enjoyed learning about these poets and their famous poems. So students, now moving towards our next page. That is page number 52. Understand comprehension. Think. Which is your favorite poem? Why is it your favorite? Now we have read poems from 3 poets. You have to think which one is your favorite poem and why do you find it very interesting. Moving down, part A. Match each poem with a theme. Now here we have been given 4 poems, the one we read and the themes. Now you have to match the poem with its proper theme. We can see Bed in Summer by Robert Louis Stevenson. Now let's read which theme does it match. The poet asks about little things in nature. The poet is having fun at the dining table. The poet wants children to be creative. The poet wonders why his bedtimes are so early. So, Bed in Summer matches with our part D. The poet wonders why his bedtimes are so early. In this way, you have to read the poem first and then match it with its proper theme. Moving towards our part B, how does Michael Rosen's poem Color help you to be creative? Now students, you have to share this idea with your partner that how does the poem Color helps you to be creative. I think by changing colors, we can use our imagination and our ideas and we can also express our emotions. Moving down towards our part C, words in context. Connect each word with a sentence. Now here we have been given 4 words and we have to connect them with the appropriate sentence. So our first word is insect. Now insects can be connected to shooting stars or stars that move fast across the sky. Escape means to get away from a place. Leaping means jumping up high. Insects can be connected to ladybugs and grasshoppers are insects. So, we are going to connect one with the 4th one. In this way, you have to read the word and connect it with the appropriate meaning. So students, I hope all of you are able to attempt both of these pages. So, I will meet you next time with another very interesting and amazing video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.